Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 2. It's a non-calculator paper, extended paper 058021, October-November 2025. The duration of this paper is 2 hours. Let me start. Calculators must not be used in this paper. Question 1. Divide $90 in the ratio 2:3. Now in this question they have given the ratio and the total amount to be divided. So for that we need to first add the ratio. Total of ratio is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Now the part 2, that means 2 parts out of 5 need to be divided. That is multiply this with 90. 5 times 1, 5 times 5 times 1 is 5, or you divide 90 by 5, it is 18. 5 ones are 5, 4 remains 40 and 8. 2 into 18 is 36. So $36 is this part, the 2 part, and for 3 it is 3 by 5 into 90, that is 5 ones are 5, 5 18s are 90, then 3 into 18 is $54. So the answer is $36 and $54. Question number 2. In the diagram, AC is equal to BC. Work out angle CAB. We need to find out the angle CAB. This one. So now look at the diagram. There are these two angles are given, and this angle we can find out using 360 minus the sum of these two angles. So what is the sum of 148 plus 82? Find out. 8 plus 2 is 10. 1 carried over. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 1 carried over. 230. So 360 minus 230 will be 0 minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 130 degrees. So this angle is 130 degrees. Angle ACB is 130 degrees. Now we see here in the diagram that this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So write down that triangle ACB is an isosceles triangle and AC is equal to BC. So angle CAB will be equal to angle CAB is equal to angle CBA. Now using the sum of three angles in a triangle property, we can do 180 minus the angle which we know here, that is 130. 130 if I subtract, I get 50. So now this 50 is the sum of these two angles. So angle CAB plus angle CBA is equal to 50. Because they are both same, we can take 2 times angle CAB is equal to 50. So this will give you angle CAB is equal to 50 divided by 2, which is 25. So angle CAB is 25 degrees. Question 3. Find the interior angle of a regular 20-sided polygon. So in this question, the number of sides is given, n is given to us. N is equal to 20. Now to find out the interior angle, we need to do the rule we need to follow is 360, not 360, sorry. 180 minus 360 by number of sides. So here just do that. 180, 360 divided by 20, we can cancel out zeros. 2 times 18. So 180 minus 18, if you do, you get the measure of interior angle. So 180 minus 18, 10 minus 8, this is 10 and this is 7. 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 1 is 6 and 1 as it is. So 162 degrees is the measure of interior angle, each interior angle. Question number 4. The area of a triangle is 12 centimeters square. The length of the base of the triangle is 8 centimeters. Work out the height of the triangle. So here the area is given and the base of the triangle is given. So area of triangle formula is half into base into height. Half into base into height. So area of triangle is given 12 centimeters square, and write down half into base, which is already given, and we don't know height, so write h as it is. So now to find out h, you need to bring this half and 8 to the other side. So 12 into 2, 2 is in denominator, it gets multiplied, and 8 is multiplied, it gets divided, is equal to height. 2 times 1, 2 times 4 is 8, 4 times 1, 4 times 3 is 12. So therefore h is equal to 3 centimeters. So 3 is the answer. Question number 5. Transformations are given here. We need to answer these questions. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle T onto triangle P. This is triangle T and this is triangle P. So we need to describe the transformation. When you see this, the shape and the orientation, the size and the orientation is exactly same, but it has just moved to some place. It has moved here. So now when you see such transformation, you have to definitely understand that it is translation. And but how many, what is a vector there, find out. So let us take one of the vertex and just count how it is moving. So when you count the movement on the left side, 1 2 3 and up, so -3 and 1 will be the vector. 3 movements left and 1 movement up, it is -3 and 1, positive 1. So you will write here translation and vector 3 minus 1. Question B. Draw the image of triangle T after an enlargement of scale factor to center 3 3. Now you have to enlarge this shape T. This shape need to be enlarged with scale factor 2 and center to be taken as 3 3. So let us mark the center first. Let me mark the center. This is the center. Now scale factor is 2, so it is positive 2. So you will have to go to the same side of the center. That means the enlarged shape will also be the same side. So just count now 2. First of all, we'll take one of the vertex. So let me take this vertex again. So from the center, it is 1 box down. So the enlarged shape will be 2 boxes down. So this vertex will shift to this place. This vertex shift to this. Now next, let me take this vertex. Now how it is? 1 2 and 1 2. 2 boxes down and 2 boxes left. So our next enlarged shape will be 4 boxes down. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4 boxes left. So here it will be the next vertex. So now looking at these two vertex, you can mark the third vertex easily. because it is this this vertex is one box down, so our vertex in the large shape will be two boxes down from here. Now connect these vertices. That's it. Now write down the coordinates of each vertex. This is 3 1, this is 3 minus 1, and this is minus 1 1, minus 1 minus 1, sorry. Question number 5 is done. Question 6, find the value of question A, 5 raised to minus 5, 5 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 5. So the bases are same. Using the indices rule we can find out. So if the bases are same, you will have to add the exponents. That is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So 5 raised to 5 plus 5. 5 plus minus 5 plus 5 is 0. 5 raised to 0, that is equal to 1. The answer is 1 here. Question number B, 125 raised to 2 by 3. Now 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, 5 cube. So 5 cube whole raised to 2 by 3. So using the indices rule, a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So you have to do the same here. 5 raised to 3 into 2 by 3. 3 gets cancelled, you get 5 square. That is 25 as the answer. Question number 7, simplify p by t divided by 2 by t. Now p by t is divided by another fraction. So when you are taking fractions, the first fraction will be written same and second fraction will be multiplied with the reciprocal when you divide. The reciprocal of 2 by t is t by 2. T gets cancelled, you get p by 2. P by 2 is the answer. Question B, 3x by 4 minus x minus 1 by 2. Here there are two fractions here. Find the LCM of two denominators. The LCM of 4 and 2 will be always the bigger number because 2 is factor of 4, so 4 will be the LCM. Now 4 into 1 will be 4, so 3x will be multiplied with 1 only. Same way the numerator of 2 here, the second fraction, will be multiplied by 2 because 2 into 2 is 4, so x minus 1 into 2 will be x minus 1 into 2. You have to do in the next step. So 3x minus 2 into x is 2x and minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2 by 4. So 3x minus 2x is just 1x because 3 minus 2 is 1. X plus 2 by 4 is the answer. Question number 7 is done. Question 8 now. Question 8 is a 5 marks question, so you have to show all your working here. So read the question carefully. The cost of one orange is T cents. The cost of one apple is W cents. The total cost of 3 oranges and 1 apple is 51 cents. The total cost of 6 oranges and 5 apples is 129 cents. Now here you have to form the equations for each information given here and use the simultaneous equations. Already clue is given to us. So simultaneous equations means we need to form two equations and solve and find the value of t and w here. So form the equations here first. Total cost of 3 oranges means 3 into t, 3t, and 1 apple is plus w. 1 apple is 1w, that is just w, is equal to 51. This is equation 1. The next equation is 6 oranges, that is 60, and 5 apples is 5W. That will be equal to 129 cents. Now name these equations. Give the numbers to the equations, equation 1 and 2. Now if you are doing substitution method, you have to take W is equal to 51 minus 3T and substitute in the second equation. So better I will show you the elimination method. The elimination method, when you see the coefficient of T is 6 and 3, so one of the equations you can change it into 6. So multiply equation 1 by 3, sorry 2, because 3 times 2 is 6, by 2. So 3T plus W is equal to 51 multiplied by 2. You get 6T plus 2W is equal to 102. This is equation 3. Now subtract these two equations. Subtract 3 and 2. Write down equation 3 plus first. That is 6T plus 2W is equal to 102, and 6T plus 5W is equal to 129. When you do subtraction, all the signs gets changed. 60 minus 60 gets cancelled. 2 minus 5W is minus 3W, and 102 minus 129 can subtract. You get 7 to 27, that is negative 27. Minus minus gets cancelled, and W will be 27 by 3, which is 9. We got the value of W. Now substitute this in the equation 1. Equation 1 is 3T plus W. W is 9 I got, so I'll just put that. Then 3T is equal to 51 minus 9. 51 minus 9 is 11 minus 9 is 2. This is 11 and this is 4. So 4 as it is. So 3T is 42. T is equal to 42 by 3, which is 14. When you divide 42 by 3, you get 14. Okay, so answer T is 14 and W is 9. This is done. Question number 9. Nina walks at an average speed of 5 kilometers per hour. Correct to the nearest kilometer per hour. She walks for exactly 2 hours. Work out the lower bound for the distance Nina walks. So here speed and distance time is given, speed is given and time is given. We have to find out distance. So speed is equal to distance by time. This gives distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Now we need to find the lower bound. So lower bound of speed need to be taken. The speed given is 5 kilometers per hour. So the lower bound for this is, if it is to the nearest kilometer per hour, so half of kilometer per hour is 0.5. If I subtract from 5 0.5, I get 4.5. So this is the lower bound for the speed. Therefore distance will be speed multiplied by time. So 2 into 4.5 will be 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 9. So 9 kilometers is the distance, lower bound of the distance. Question number 10. Universal set n such that n is an integer and 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to 8. That means the universal set has the elements 1 to 8. Okay, and set A is the are having the elements of factors of 12. So write only the factors of 12 but less than 8. So factors of 12 are 1 and 1, 12, 2, 6. So 2, 6, 12 will not be included because the universal set has only numbers up to 8. 2, 6, then 3, 4. 5 is not the factor, and that's all. So let me write them in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Because 7 and 8 cannot be the factors of 12. Or B is the set, this is A, then B will be odd numbers. So now take all the odd numbers from 1 to 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. These are the odd numbers. Question number A, find A intersection B. Now A intersection B are all the elements which are common between A and B. The intersection B will be 1 is common, 3 is common, and that's it. 1 and 3. 1, 3 is the answer for A intersection B. Then question B, number of elements in A complement union B. First of all, let us find out what is A complement. A complement is universal set subtracted. That means elements leaving all A, you have to write remaining. So from this universal set, if I remove these, what will be left? 7 and 8 will be left. 5, 6, 5, 7, 8. Sorry, 5, 7, 8. Then B, union with B will be 1, 3, 5, 7. So you get A intersection union B will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. So number of elements means how many elements are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 elements are there in this set. Question number 11. Write 0.24, the repeated decimal here, 0.2424, as a fraction in its simplest form. So just let x be 0.242424, so on. Now multiplying by 100. If I multiply by 100 on both sides, I get 100x is equal to 24.2424, so on. Now this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Subtract 1 from 2. 100x minus x is equal to, if I subtract 24.242424 and 0.2424, so on, I get 24.000. So this will be 24. Now 100x minus x is 99x. Keeping x, you can bring 99 onto the other side. You get 24 by 99. If I want to simplify, I'll cancel out with 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 times 33. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. So 8 by 33 is the simplest form for this. Question number 12. The diagram shows a sector of a circle with center O and radius 9 centimeters. This is a sector and radius is 9 centimeter. This is the center. The perimeter of the sector is 18 plus 2 pi centimeters. Perimeter of the sector is given. in this way. Then find the area of the sector, give your answer in terms of pi. Okay, so for the perimeter of the sector, first of all, the perimeter of this arc, I mean the length of this arc will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. This is the formula. Okay, and then we need to, for perimeter, we need to add these two radiuses. Then only you will get the perimeter of this sector. Okay, so take it, perimeter of the sector is equal to theta. We don't know the angle, keep just write theta into 3 theta by 360 into 2 into pi into r is 9 plus 2 into 9, and the perimeter of the sector is already given to us, 18 plus 2 pi is equal to theta by 360 into 2 into 9 is 18 pi plus 18. Now if I bring 18 onto the other side, or if I cancel it, it can be cancelled. 2 pi is equal to 18. If I bring this 18 minus 18 plus 2 pi, 360 degrees plus into 18 pi. 18 minus 18 cancelled. Now what are you left with? 2 pi here, and theta by 360 into 18 pi. So pi also gets cancelled. Now to find the value of theta, theta is equal to 2 into 360 by 18. 2 times 1, 2 times 9, 9 times 40. So therefore the angle here we got is 40. Using this angle, now find out the area. Area is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r, pi r square, not 2 pi r, pi r square, area, right? So 40 by 360 into pi into 9 square is 81. 0 0 gets cancelled. 4 times 1, 4 times 9, 9 times 9. So they are left with a 9 pi. So the answer is 9 pi centimeter square. Question 12 is done. Question 13. These are Rahul's 10 test scores: 9, 8, 9, 10, 7, x, 9, 9, x, 7. The mean of these scores is 8. Find the interquartile range. You must show all your working. So when the mean is given, using this mean we can find the value of x's here. Okay, so mean is equal to 8, that is equal to 9 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 7 plus x plus 9 plus 9 plus x plus 7, and all are together 10 observations. That means 10 test scores. Then 8 is equal to 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 9 is 26, 26 plus 10 is 36, 36 plus 7 is 43, 43 x as it is, then 9, we need to add 9. 43 plus 9 is 12 plus 1 52, 52 plus 9 is 61, then 61 plus 7 is 68. So 68 plus 2x, x plus x is 2x, is 10. If I bring 10 to the left hand side, 18, it will be multiplied to 8, and 68 plus 2x. Then if I bring 8 into 10 becomes 80, and 68 if I bring to the left hand side, it gets subtracted, and 2x will be on the right hand side. 80 minus 68 will be 10 minus 2, 7 minus 6. 10 minus 8 is 2, 7 minus 6 is 112. So 2x we get as 12. So this means x is 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Now we got the value of x here. So when you write the value of x as 6 and 6, we need to find the interquartile range. So what is the, first of all, what is the median? To find the median, we will have to arrange them in ascending order. So 6 is the smallest number, 6, then 7, 7, then 8 is only once, 9 is 4 times, and last is 10. So 1 cancel, second cancelled, third cancelled, fourth also cancelled. So the median is in between 8 and 9, so 8.5 will be the median. Now interquartile range, we need to know Q3 and Q1. What is Q3? Q3 will be somewhere between 6 and 7. Sorry, Q1. And Q3 will be, all 9s are there, so it will be 9 itself. So write down that Q3 is equal to 9, Q1 is equal to 6.5. So interquartile range will be 9 minus 6.5. 9.0, 6.5, this is 10, this is 8. 10 minus 5 is 5, 8 minus 5 is 2. 2.5. So 2.5 is the interquartile range. Question number 14. A, B, C, D, E lie on a circle. A, B, C, D, E lie on a circle. AC and BD intersect at X. AC and BD are intersecting at X. Angle ACD is equal to 55 degrees. This angle is given. ACD, this is given. And CXD, that is 6CXD, this angle is given. Complete the statements giving a geometrical reason in each part. We need to complete the statements here. The first statement is angle CDB is equal to dash. Angle CDB is which angle? This angle. So when you see this triangle CDX, you can use this angle sum property and find out the third angle. So that for that you have to do 180 minus 88 plus 55. 88 plus 55 is how much? Find out. 143. So 180 minus 143 will be 10 minus 3. This is 7. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. 37. 1 minus 1 will be 0. So 37 degrees. Because angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Statement, second statement, angle ABD is equal to, where is angle ABD? Angle ABD is this. Now angle ABD will be also 55 degrees because angle in the same segment. This angle, this angle and this angle are in the same segment, so they will be equal. So angle ABD is equal to 55 degrees, and the reason is angle in the same segment. Angles in the same segment are equal. Question, last statement here. Angle AED. Angle AED is this angle. So to get this angle, we need to see that this is a cyclic quadrilateral. AEDC is a cyclic quadrilateral. So in a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 55, you get the angle AED. So 180 minus 55 will be, find out, 10 minus 5 is 5. This becomes 7. 7 minus 5 is 2, and 1 as it is. So it is 125. 125 degrees, because in a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles add up to 180 degrees. Question number B. Triangle CXD is mathematically similar to triangle BXA. DX is equal to 8 centimeters, BX is equal to 2.7 centimeters, and AX is equal to 4.0 centimeters. One, work out the length of CX. Now, first of all, let us write that triangle CXD is similar to triangle BXA. So now whenever the two figures are in, when two shapes are similar, mathematically similar, their corresponding sides ratio will be always equal. So what are the corresponding sides? Let us see. Now CX will be corresponding to, CX is corresponding to BX, and DX is corresponding to AX. So take these sides now. So dx is already given to us. Dx is 8, and that is corresponding to ax, that is 4. That will be equal to, cx is not given, we need to find out, and bx is given, that is 2.7. So this gives you cx will be equal to 8 multiplied by 2.7 by 4. So 4 times 2 is 8. 2 into 2.7 will be 5.4 centimeters. So Cx is 5.4 centimeters. Question number 2. Complete the statement. Area of triangle CXD is to area of triangle BXA. You need to find the area. So the whenever the two shapes are similar, their areas will be equal to the ratios of their areas will be equal to the squares ratio of their sides, square of their sides. Okay, so take any of the two sides. Yeah, area of CXD, area of CXD by area of BXA will be, take any of the sides CX, take the numbers which are not having points with to make it easy. So dx is 8, no? So 8 square by ax is 4, so 4 square. So 8 square is 8 8s are 64. 4 square is 16. 16 into 16 into 4 is 64. 4 6 are 24. 4 1 are 4 5 6. Yes. 16 1 are 16 4s are. So 4 by 1. That means the ratio is 4 is to 1. Question number 14 is completed. Question number 15. Write 66,000 in standard form. Work out the given standard form question. Okay, so first of all, let us do A. 15th question. Write down this in standard form. To write the standard form, here the point is at the end of the number. It has to move to the left. How many digits? 1 2 3 4. 6.6 into 10 raised to 4. Question B. Work out 3.7 into 10 raised to 8 plus 3.7 into 10 raised to 7. Give your answer in standard form. So this one needs some working here. 10 raised to 8 can be written as 10 raised to 7 into 10, because we have 10 raised to 7 in the next bracket. So 10, keep it like this, and 10 raised to 7, put the bracket, plus 3.7 into 10 raised to 7. Now here 3.7 into 10 will be 37 into 10 raised to 7, and 3.7 into 10 raised to 7. Now here 10 raised to 7 can be taken as common, 10 raised to 7, and 37 can be added to 3.7. So 37 plus 3.7 will be 40.7. So 10 raised to 7 into 40.7. Again we need to write the answer in standard form, so the point moves to the left. So 4.07 into 1 of the power the power needs to increase by 1, 10 raised to 8. So 4.07 into 10 raised to 8 is the answer. Question number 16. Write down all the inequalities that define the region R. This is the region R. We need to write the inequalities for all these lines. Okay, so let us take the first line, this line. Now this is passing through the region, and when you see the gradient here, 2 boxes up and 1 box right, that is 2 by 1. So y is equal to 2x form it is, but we have to write the inequality. It is shaded below, so it is y less than or equal to 2x, because it is bold line. Then take this line, it is exactly at 2.5, and it is bold again, but the shaded part is on the left. So x less than or equal to 2.5. Then this bold line, it is passing through 4, so y should come here, and it is again shaded below, so y less than or equal to, because it is bold line, 4. Next dashed line, it is at 3, so y less than 3. So write down y less than 3, y less than or equal to 4, x less than or equal to 2.5. No, y is greater than, it is above here, sorry, this is wrong. Y greater than 3. Y is greater than 3. Then y less than or equal to 4, y x less than or equal to 2.5, and then y less than or equal to 2x. Question number 17. I is equal to m into k square plus c square. Question A, find the value of I when m is equal to 7, k is equal to 3, c is equal to 2. We are just substituting the values. I is equal to m is 7 into k square is 3 square, c square is 2 square. So 7 into 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 7 into 9 plus 4 is 13, 7 into 13, 7 into 13 is 91. So I is 91 here. Question number B. Rearrange the formula to write k in terms of I, M and C. Now here you have to change the subject here, and the subject is k. So first of all write the original formula, then one by one take the, because the subject is k, so bring the k part onto the left hand side. It will be easier for you to transpose the things. Now bring m onto the right hand side, keeping k square plus c square onto the left hand side. So it gets divided by I. Then keeping k square onto the left hand side, bring c square onto the right hand side. It gets subtracted. Because it is k square, now only k will be plus or minus square root of I by m minus c square. So this is the answer. Question number 18. F of x is equal to 2x plus 5. F of x minus f of x is equal to ax square plus bc plus c. Find the value of a, the value of b and the value of c. So f of x multiplied by f of x is this thing, and function applied of f of x to again f of x. Okay, so f of x is 2x plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 5 minus f of x will be 2 of 2x plus 5. In place of x we'll put 2x plus 5 and plus 5. Then multiply 2x into 2x, that is 4x square. 2x into 5 is 10x. Then 5 into 2x is 10x. 5 into 5 is 25. Minus, because it is minus, let us put everything in bracket. Here also I'll put a bracket. 2 2s are 4, 4x. 2 into 5, 10. Then plus 5. Next, simplify this. 4x square is as it is. 10x and 10x will be 20x plus 25 minus 4x minus 10 minus 5. So now 4x square is as it is. X terms are 2, 20 and minus 4. So 16x. 25 minus 5 is minus plus 20. No, sorry. 25 minus 10 minus 5. Minus 10 minus 5 is minus 15. 25 minus 15 is 10. Now this is given as ax square plus bc. Actually it is bx, not bc, it is bx. So this is given as 4x square. This is ax square plus bx plus c. So here a is 4, b is 16, c is 10. Question 18 is done. Question 19. Solve 1 by 3 whole raised to x is equal to 9 raised to x plus 4. So write down 1 by 3 whole raised to x, 9 raised to x plus 4. Now this 1 by 1 raised to x will be 1 and 3 raised to x in denominator. Separate the powers. Like if a by b whole raised to m will be a raised to m by b raised to m. In this way you can separate the exponents, and 9 can be written as 3 square because we need base 3 here. 3 square raised to x plus 4. Then bring the 3 into numerator, it becomes negative x. 1 no need to mention because 1 raised to anything is always 1. So 3 raised to 2 whole raised to x plus 4 will be 3 raised to 2 into x plus 4. A raised to m whole raised to n will be a raised to m multiplied by n. Then 3 raised to minus x is equal to 3 raised to 2x plus 8. Now you have powers and bases. Powers are simplified and base is same. So now you can continue with equating the powers. Minus x is equal to 2x plus 8. This will give you, bring 2x to the left hand side, minus 2x, keeping 8 onto the right hand side. So minus x minus 2x is minus 3x is equal to 8. This gives you x is equal to 8 by minus 3, which is minus 8 by 3. You can write it as a mixed fraction, minus 2 by minus 2 by 3, because if I divide 8 by 3, 3 2s are 6, remainder is 2. So minus 2 by 3 will be the answer. Question number 20. Bag A contains 5 white balls and 3 black balls. This bag is containing 5 white balls and 3 black balls. Bag B contains 3 white balls and 1 black ball. This is having 3 white balls and 1 black ball. Question A. 2 balls are picked at random from bag B without replacement. Find the probability that both balls are black. Now, the balls are picked from bag B and they are saying 2 balls are picked and 2 balls should be black. So when you see bag B, there is only 1 black ball. So where this is not possible to pick 2 black balls from bag B. So the probability here will be 0. Question number B. The balls are replaced into bag B. Kyle picks a bag at random from each bag. Complete the tree diagram. There is a tree diagram given. We need to complete it for question B. So here bag A, bag B. First is bag A and next is bag B. Question number bag A is white ball. The probability is 5 by 8 because we have 5 white balls and 3 black balls. So 5 out of 8 will be the probability of white, and for black it will be 3 out of 8. 3 out of 8. Then bag B, the white probability will be 3 out of 4. 3 out of 4, and black is 1 out of 4. Same way here also, for white it is 3 out of 4 and 1 out of 4. Question number 2. Find the probability that the 2 balls are same color. Now probability of 2 balls being same color will be, this is white and white, which is 5 by 8 into 3 by 4, and black and black 3 by 8 into 1 by 4. So or it is or option there. So 5 by 8 and 3 by 4 will be 2 same color ball, that is white color, or it can be 3 by 8 that is black and 1 by 4 that is black. So find out the answers. 5 by 8 into 3 by 4 will be 15 by 40, plus 3 by 8 into 1 by 4 will be 3 by 32. Sorry, this is also 32, my mistake. 8 4s are 32. So this is 18 by 32. Can we simplify this? 2 9s are 2, yeah, 2 9s are 18, 2 16s are So 9 by 16 is the probability. Question number A and B is done. Now C. The balls are replaced into their bags. Joe picks a ball at random from bag A and places it into bag B. She then picks a ball at random from bag B. Find the probability that she picks a black ball from bag B. So now picking a black ball from bag B will be after picking a ball from bag A. So if she picks a white ball from bag A and puts it in bag B, the probability will be, this is a 3 marks question. So sorry, 3 marks question. So show step by step. Now probability of picking white ball from bag A will be 5 out of 8. And probability of picking, if not white ball, if she picks black ball, what will be the probability? It will be 3 by 8. 3 by 8. Now after she puts that in bag B, she has to pick a black ball. So for black ball, if she picks the white ball, if white ball comes here, I mean she puts white ball here, then it will be 1 out of 5. So the first case, that is 5 by 8 into 1 by 5. This is the first case. Or if she picks black ball, it will be 3 by 8 into 2 by 5, because there are two black balls. If instead of white, if it is black, then there will be 2 black balls out of 5 balls. So this will be the total probability. So 5 by 8 into 1 by 5 is 5 times 1 is 5, 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 times 2 is 6, and 8 into 5 is 40. So that is 11 by 40. This is the probability of picking the black ball. Question number 21a. 3 minus root 5 into 2 plus 3 root 5 is equal to a plus b root 5. Find the value of a and the value of b. This is just multiplication of the surds. So multiply left hand side, find out left hand side. 3 minus root 5 into 2 plus 3 root 5 will be 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 root 5 will be 9 root 5, then minus root 5 into 2 is minus 2 root 5, then minus root 5 into 3 root 5 is minus root 5 multiplied by 3 root 5 will be root 5 becomes 5 and 3 as it is, and it will be negative. So because one of the numbers is negative, so minus 15 will be the number here. Now there are two constant numbers without the surds. So 6 minus root 50, 6 minus 15 will be minus 9, plus 9 root 5 minus 2 root 5 is 7 root 5. So this is equal to RHS a plus b root 5. So now equate these two. 9 plus 7 root 5 is equal to a plus b root 5. So what is there in place of a? 9, negative 9, sorry. And what is there in place of b? 7. So minus 9 and 7 is the answer. Question B. Rationalize the denominator. Write your answer in its simplest form, 6 by root 2. So rationalizing the denominator, always we need to multiply the third in the denominator with numerator and denominator both. So 6 root 2 by root 2 into root 2 is 2. Then simplify. 2 times 1, 2 times 3 is 6. So 3 root 2 is the answer. Question number 22. Solve 2 by x minus 1 is equal to x by x plus 2. 2 by x minus 1 is equal to x by x plus 2. So here we can do cross multiplication to solve. Make it an equation without denominators. Cross multiply. So 2 into x plus 2 is equal to x into x minus 1. 2x plus 4 is equal to x square minus x. Bring x square and minus x to the left hand side and make it a quadratic equation. 2x plus 4 minus x square plus x is equal to 0. Minus x square, 2x plus x is 3x, plus 3x it is, plus 4 is equal to 0. Now change all the signs because the first term in the quadratic equation need to be positive, so all the other becomes negative. Then quadratic equation you can solve by factorizing, splitting the middle term. So the sum of the two numbers must be minus 3 and product of two numbers must be minus 4. So it can be minus 4 plus 1 as minus 3 and minus 4 into 1 is minus 4. So the numbers are minus 4 and plus 1. X square minus 4x plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. X into x minus 4 plus 1 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then you can continue here. X minus 4 is common and x plus 1 is the other factor. So therefore x will be 4 or x will be minus 1, because x plus 1 is 0, x will be minus 1. 4 and minus 1. Question number 23. Find the coordinates of the turning point on the graph of y is equal to 7 minus 2x minus x square. The equation is y is equal to 7 minus 2x minus x square. So for finding the coordinates of turning point, we need to find the derivative of the equation dy by dx. So the constant will always be 0, the derivative, because there is no variable. Then next we have minus 2x. So minus 2 into the power of x is 1, here 1, into x raised to 1 minus 1. Minus, here the coefficient is not there, then power is 2 into x raised to, we have to multiply the power, and x raised to, again the power is 2, 2 minus 1. So this will be minus 2 into x raised to 0 is 1. So minus 2, and this is x raised to 1, so it is minus 2x. This can be written as minus 2 into 1 plus x. So when you want to find the value of x, dy by dx need to be 0. So for that, if I take minus 2 into 1 plus x as 0, minus 2 cannot be 0, so 1 plus x is 0. This gives you x as minus 1. Now when minus 1 is x is equal to minus 1, then y will be, substitute in the equation, in the given equation. So 7 minus 2 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 whole square. So y will be again simplify. 7 minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2, minus 1 minus 1 whole square. So minus as it is, minus 1 whole square is plus 1. So it is 9 minus 1, 8. So therefore the coordinates of turning point are minus 1 and 8. Question number 24. In the diagram, OBD and ACD are straight lines. OBD and ACD are straight lines. O is the origin. The position vector of A is small a. The position vector of A is small a. The position vector of B is small b. BC is equal to 1/3 of OA. BC is equal to 1/3 of OA. M is the midpoint of CD. M is the midpoint of CD. Find the position vector of M. The position vector of M we need to find out. Give your answer in terms of A and B in the simplest form. So in this question, to find the position vector of M, we need to find the pathway for that from O to M. So it is OB plus BC plus CM. So write down that OM is equal to OB plus BC plus CM. Now here we know what is OB. OB is B, and what is BC we know, it is 1/3 of A, and CM we don't know, so we need to find out CM. So find CM here. First, finding CM, we need to take the triangles OAD, OAD as a triangle, and BCD triangle. Because BC is parallel to OA, you can say that the corresponding sides will be in the equal ratio. The ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. So triangle OAD is similar to triangle BCD. So when these two are similar, you can take the sides which are given as OA by BC will be equal to AD by CD. This gives you OA is A and BC is A by 3. That will be equal to AD by CD. Now AA gets cancelled and 3 comes to the numerator. So 3 by 1 is equal to AD by CD. This gives you 3 times CD is AD. And now using this we can find out AC. So AC will be double of 2 times of CD, because this is one part, this is one part, and this whole is 3 parts, so this will be 2 parts. So 2 times of CD will be AC. Now what is AC? The vector AC will be AC is equal to, you can see the pathway AO, OB and BC. So AO is minus A. Let me write the vectors first. Okay, the pathway AO plus OB plus BC. So minus A plus B plus A by 3. So this will be equal to A and A. If I take the LCM as 3, it will be minus 3A plus A plus B. So that will be minus 2 by 3A plus B. This is AC we got. Now using AC we find CD. CD will be half of AC, because just now we saw that AC is double of CD. So CD will be half of AC. That will be 1 by 2 multiplied by the vector just now we got, minus 2 by 3A plus B. So it will be minus 2 by 6A plus 1 by 2B. This is CD. Now using this we'll find out CM now. CM is equal to half of again the vector CD. So half of minus 2 by 6A plus 1 by 2B. This will give you CM is equal to minus 2 by 12A plus 1 by 4B. Finding CM is done. Now let us find out OM. So OM will be OB, that is B, plus BC. We have already written here. So using that, B plus BC is A by 3 plus CM is minus 2 by 12A plus 1 by 4B. So bring the like terms together. B plus A by 3 minus 2 by 12A. Okay, bring B together. So first let me write only A and plus B plus 1 by 4B. Then A minus 2A, A by 3 minus 2A by 12 will be, the LCM will be 12. So 3 into 4 is 12, so A into 4 is 4A minus 2A plus, the LCM is 4 here, so 4B plus B. So 4A minus 2A is 2A by 12 plus 4B plus 4B plus B is 5B by 4. So that will be 2 times 1, 2 times 6. So 1 by 6A plus 5 by 4B. This is the position vector of M. Question number 25. Simplify 10AX 10AX plus 6BX. Okay, let me first explain. Now here we have the terms 10AX 6BX minus 25A minus 15B. So AB is there in both the four terms. Like two terms have A and two terms have B. So taking that as common, let us find out the next step. So if I take 5A common, if I take 5A common in these two terms, then it will be in brackets, in brackets you'll have 2x and minus 5, because my 5 into 2 is 10, a into x, ax, so 10ax, and 5 into minus 5 will be minus 25 and a as it is. Next these two terms, now we need to take 3 common, because 6 and 15 we have common factor as 3. So 3b if I take common, next will be again the term in the bracket will be 2x minus 5. This is regrouping. Next, the denominator, when you see carefully, they are in the form of a square minus b square form. So just separate them in that way. So 4x square can be written as 2x whole square minus 5 square. Now taking 2x minus 5 common, you will get in the bracket 5a plus 3b, 5a plus 3b by, now this is a square minus b square, so 2x plus 5 a plus b into a minus b. Next again 2x minus 5 into 5a plus 3b by 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5, 2x minus 5 cancel, you get 5a plus 3b by 2x plus 5. So this is the final answer, simplified answer for the given question. Question number 26. This is the last question. Solve tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 3 for 0 degrees less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360 degrees. Now here taking the equation tan x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. This gives you x as x is equal to tan inverse of 1 by minus 1 by root 3. So x value will be, we cannot take negative value because the 0 is in between positive numbers, that is 0 to 360. So tan of 1 by root 3 will be, tan inverse of will be 30 degrees, because tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So now when x is 30 degrees, we have to find out the values of x taking into consideration the value negative value minus 1 by root 3. So the mnemonic all students take calculus. Now tan values are positive in third quadrant but negative in second and fourth quadrant. So second quadrant is 180 minus theta and third quadrant is 360 minus theta. So x value will be 180 minus 30, which is 150, and x value will also be 360 minus 30, that is 330. So it is 150, 330. That's all, students. Thanks for watching till the end. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I am going to start a new series for difficult questions. Please watch it. Thank you. Goodbye.